Say, oh, that's nice. What is the Julie dates? So this with butter, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's nice. I think that's yummy. Oh, diba? Yun yung alaga ko na po siya. Mayroon siyang another recipe. Ooh, dates. Ano siya? Tingnan mo, oh. Fresh. Yung ano niya, diba? Ang ganda. Matamis-tamis yan, oh, diba? Tamis-tamis yan, guys. Gusto ninyo, guys? Try niyo. Huh? Okay, so now is ready to eat. Oh, diba? And Judy, we can also eat. No need to cook, right? Sometimes you can eat there or must be cooked, right? No. You have to cook or it's okay cook or not?
You don't have to cook.
Okay. That's good.